Catfish Terry here. Y'all, I got this dehumidifier off of Amazon today. It's a TLC. TLC got where they make TVs and everything. I've had the TVs, I've had good luck with them. But we've been needing a dehumidifier, so I got this on Amazon for $133. And I want to give a review on it and give you my thoughts. See what we think, y'all. Thanks for watching, and let's take a look at it. Alright everyone, it looks like it's packaged up good. Got our instructions. Casters are included in the bucket, must remove before operating. Grip each side of the bucket and pull to remove. Alrighty, let me get it out of the box, y'all. Y'all, this is a 20-pint system. What I like about it is the size, and it don't take up a lot of room and everything. So. Let you know the bucket's full, let you know to clean the filter, high, low. Continuous basement, bedroom, block, timer and power. See if I can find the casters. Alright y'all, the water reservoir opens right up. It's got a little float here, let you know when it's filled up. There's the coasters, and the reservoir just pops right off of it. Pretty neat. Let me get the casters on. Got the casters on, rolls easy. It's got a filter right there that you take out and clean. Simple enough. It does have a drain on the back part, but myself, I'll probably open the door and just take the bucket out and dump it. But I like the looks of it and everything, y'all. Let's fire this thing up and see how it works. Alright y'all, it's plugged in. Turn the power on. It says run it on continuous for the first 24 hours. I'm going to put it on like 35 on the humidity. I'm going to turn the fan on high. Right now it's saying 62% humidity in here. 61, 62. And it's pretty quiet, that's on high, but it's doing a pretty good job. It ain't that loud. So, we're gonna run it. But right now, I really like it, y'all. And for the price, I tell you, the little cheap deals for one room, this will do up to 1,500 square feet. The one little room jobs, you spend $40 on them, they'll fill up in a blink of an eye. So I don't think you can go wrong. $133 at Amazon. Appreciate it. Y'all come back. I'm gonna do a follow up later on in one of my videos and let you know on down the line. But right now, compared to the prices of all the other ones on there, this is a great deal, y'all. Y'all get a chance to come over and visit Catfish Terry, the Guppy Man. Hang out with us in our streams and videos. We got a great bunch of people, y'all. Take care.